How does Wix work for beginners? Wix is one of the easiest website builders for beginners because it handles everything from hosting to design in one simple platform. You don't need any technical or coding experience to get started. After signing up, Wix walks you through the process step by step, helping you create a beautiful, functional website within minutes. You can choose between Wix ADI, which builds a personalized website for you after answering a few quick questions, or the drag and drop editor, which lets you design freely using hundreds of templates. Both options give you full creative control while keeping things easy and intuitive. Wix also takes care of hosting, security, and mobile optimization automatically. You can add features like contact forms, online stores, bookings, or blogs with just a few clicks. Everything you need to manage and grow your site, including analytics and marketing tools, is built into the Wix dashboard. You can get started with Wix for free today by using the link in our description. It instantly gives you everything you need to design, customize, and launch your own professional website without spending a dime.